Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'll show you guys how to create Web3 design on Pixellab only. Without wasting our time, let's dive into it. So firstly, I will change my image size to 1280x850. Yeah, I'll delete this text, then I'll change my background color to black. So the next thing, I will import image from my gallery. Image of the background, I will import it from my gallery. So this is the image. I will increase the size, then bring it to this edge. Can you see that? So I will align it to the middle like this, then I'll bring it here. So now I will adjust my color filter and increase it to 144, because that is the part I'm going to get a blue version. Yeah, something like this. So right now I'm going to add a shape, then make it circle, reduce the opacity and increase my stroke. So I will add a blur radius that is full like this, and I'm going to mark it. So let's increase our shape to blend the image to our background. Yeah, can you see that? Can you see what I did here? So right now I'm going to lock that layer, then I'm going to add another shape right here. I'm going to make it circle. I will reduce the opacity and increase the stroke. So the stroke is going to be color blue. Then I'm going to close the edge like this. The inner part, I'm going to close it up like this. Then I will increase my blur radius like this also. Yeah. So right now let's increase the shape size. Can you see that? So I'm going to bring it to the middle part, then I'll lock my layer. Yeah. So next thing now is to add another image to make sure we have the garden stuff on this left edge also, this part. So first thing, you have to save this as projects. Let me just use one random name for that. Save as project. Then I'll select OK. So right now I'll delete everything on this page until we have our black shape only, this shape here. So now I'll create a bezier. Yeah, then I'm going to close it up like this. Then right now I will adjust it like this. Can you see? Like this. Then I'm going to move it here. Yeah. So right now you adjust the bezier something like this. You adjust the edges. You adjust the other edge also. Then now you close up the stroke. Then you add your fill to it. Increase the opacity. Then give that color black. Yeah. So what you have to do now is to increase this size. Yes, you see what I did here. So now you have to save this to your gallery as image. So you use PNG Ultra, then you save it to your gallery. Yeah, after doing that, I'll move back to the project I saved. Yes, then I'm going to add the shape I exported right now. I'm going to bring it back to this page. This is it. Then I will drag it. I'm going to drag it full. Yes. So now I'm going to select texture. Then I'll select the garden image again. This one, I'll select it again. Then I will leave it like this. Can you see what happened? Yeah. So right now you have to add a random shape like this. Then we just move it away. Then I'm going to merge the two together. the shape I brought in and the shape I moved up, I'm going to merge these two together. Yeah, so right now I'm going to change this color filter also to 144. Yes, then the opacity, I'm going to reduce that to 15 or 10. Yeah, so we have this right now. Then I'll move it to the back of the blue. After doing that, I will lock all my layers here like this. Then I will bring in the logo of the project. This is it. Yeah, I think I will adjust it a little bit. Then I will bring it right here. Yes. Then after that, I will lock my layer. Then I will zoom in here. I will add our draw to create a realistic shadow under it, increase the pen size, give it neon effect, and increase the blur radius. So just tap somewhere like this and drag this like this. Can you see that? Yeah, so I'll lock that layer also. The next thing now is to add a light effect, like a reflection from this edge. So add your shape, reduce the opacity, you change the shape to this, then give your stroke. So I'll be using my gradient. Then this part I'll be using reduced opacity. Then this part I'll be using a full white, like this. Then you close the opening space. You close it. Then you increase your blur radius like this. Can you see what we have? So I will drag this right here. I'll drag it right here. I think you can see what happened now. So I'll lock my layer also. Then the next thing now is to import the other logo of the project, which I've blurred. So I'll bring that also in. Then I'll bring it to the back of this shape. Yes, then I will reduce the size and put it here. Can you see that? Yeah, so now let's start working on our text. So firstly, I will type introducing. Yeah, so right now I will change the font. I'll be using the Play Fair display, the bold italic one. Yeah, so I'll use my color white. Then my padding, I will increase it to 5. Yeah, so right now I will bring this grid line to this place, so I'm going to have a good alignment. So let's zoom here and add this right here. Then now I'll duplicate it. I'm going to type corners. Yeah, so right now I'll change this font to Poppins. Poppins medium. Yeah, then I'll give it a bold. Can you see that? So now I will increase the size. It's too big, so I'll reduce it a little bit. Yes, and I will add this right here. So it's going to be matching the previous line we have before. So this one here, I'll move it up. Then I will move my text. I'll move them up also. It's going to be on the middle like this. I'll still move them down. So let's still work on. So right now I'll bring in another text and type the tagline. I have the tagline on my clipboard. So you move to your font. I'll be using Poppins Light for this. Oh, the regular, sorry. I'll be using the regular version of the Poppins for this. So the padding also is going to be the 5. Yeah, then I'll reduce the size like this. Then reduce the size, then drag it like this. Yeah, so right now I'll close up the gap, the line spacing, I'll close it up a little bit. Then right now I'll bring this down also. Yeah, so the next thing I'll be doing now is to bring my text down. Yes, then I will import the logo I added blur to. This is it. I'll bring it here, right here. Can you see that? Then I'll lock the layer. So right now the blue shape we have here, I'll duplicate it and edit it. Yeah, so I will adjust it like this. Then I want to put it somewhere here, just here. Oh, hold on, I have to close up the gap so I can have something good. Yes, so I will bring it right here. Can you see that? So I'll bring it to the back here. So it's going to be on top of this background. Then right now I'll reduce the opacity like this. Yeah, so now let's work on our project's name and the name of the project Sheila. So now I will type the project name up here, corners. Okay, so I'll move to my font. I'll change my font to the Poppins regular. Yes, then I will zoom right here and add the text here. I hope you get that. So you add another shape again, you bring in circle. Then I'll reduce the circle shape, circle size like this. Yeah, I'll mark it. Then I'll move to my texture and give the texture the logo of the project. You need to make sure your logo is on square shape like this. You click this to have square, then you mark it. So I will zoom right here and adjust it to the padding, to the alignment line, then reduce the size also. So this also, I'm going to add another shape here. Oh, sorry, another line here for the grid line. Then I'll make sure it's matching this logo. Can you see that? Yeah, I think it needs little adjustment. Just bring it down here. Yeah, so we have to make sure our text also is fitting into the place. So you just bring it in like this and bring your name here. Can you see that? Yeah, so the next thing now, you lock your layer so it won't disturb you while working. The next thing, I think that will be the final. You add this text here, you duplicate it. Hold on. Okay, so I'll bring it right here. I'll type the project name, Genius, the Sheila Genius Graphics _ yeah. So right now I think there will be the art icon here. Yeah, so right now I'll move to my font because these Poppins, I don't know, it got an issue on the art, so I'll change the font of the art to the regular font. Yeah, can you see it's okay right now? So I'll bring this right here, I'll bring it here. Then the logo, the shape I brought before, I'll duplicate it and I'll bring it down here. Then I will add the texture of my PFP. Add it there. Okay, so after doing that, you move here to align this also. So you bring your grid line here, add another one, bring it here. then you work on the main text also. Okay, so after doing this is too big, so let's reduce the size like this. Okay, so I'll reduce the size of the text and the logo. Then I'll move to my text size. I'll reduce it also. Yeah, we are good to go now. So the last thing I'll be adding here is the gold tick. So firstly, I'll add a shape that is circle. Yeah, then I'll import my gold tick. I have it on my gallery. Yeah, this is it. Yes, so right now I'll make it smaller. So this circle is going to be covering the part that is blank. Then I will merge the two together. Yeah, after merging the two, we reduce the size according to the grid line we have here. Okay, so just reduce the size like this. Yeah, so right now I think I'll have to drag it myself. Yeah, so I'll move it to the edge of the name. Yeah, and we are good to go. So now we have our design ready. Then you can just click your save button, save as image, then you save it as PNG and Ultra, and you are good to go. So thanks for watching, guys. Do have a nice day. Bye bye.